YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a chemistry lesson, my first one over acid and bases and conjugate acid and bases. To start off with, an acid is a substance that donates a hydrogen, and a base is a substance that accepts a hydrogen. So to start out with, typically an H plus ion, if there's more H plus ion concentration, you're going to be talking about an acid. There's more OH minus ion, which is hydroxide ion concentration, then we're going to be talking about a base. So typically that's going to kind of warn you that this OH minus is going to be a base based off the Arrhenius model. So since this one is giving hydrogen, see, it has more hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, and that one only has 1 hydrogen. That is going to show that this is an acid. Okay. And this right here, what does that have to be? There's an acid. There has to be a base. So we know that's a base. This, because you find the two substances that are, similar to each other but different based off the amount of hydrogen they have. That has 1 hydrogen. That is 2 hydrogen. You automatically look on the right side of the equilibrium equation, and you look for the substance that has 1 less than the one on that side, and the one that has 1 less on the right side than the similar substance on the left side is automatically the conjugate base. And if you look, H2O has 1 more hydrogen than OH minus, which is hydroxide, as I previously stated. If you look at the substance that automatically has 1 more than the one on the left, then that is going to be your conjugate acid. Basically, the conjugate base matches up with the acid. The base matches up with the conjugate acid. So, it's just kind of the opposite, acid, conjugate base, base, conjugate acid. The way I figured that I automatically found it and where I can do these problems in 5 seconds, we'll get, that's a similar substance to that substance, and it has 1 less hydrogen, and the one on the right that has 1 less than the one that matches up on its left is automatically the conjugate base, and the one that has 1 more than the one on the left is automatically the conjugate acid, okay? Because it's accepting a hydrogen, and that's donating a hydrogen, so that one has 2. It's equilibrium. It goes back and forth. That's why there's 2 arrows rather than 1. 1 would mean that it's already at equilibrium, and it's not. So I hope that helped. Leave a comment telling me if it helped you. I understand you'll probably be doing this later next year, second semester. Unless you're an AP Chem, then I imagine you'd probably be doing it quite early. So if you're an AP Chem, you probably need a little bit of a refresher. Just watch this video and tell me what you think. And yeah, thank you.